Apple has reportedly halted development on its planned Vision Pro revamp, pausing efforts to deliver a slimmer, more affordable version of the mixed reality headset. According to reports, the company struggled with balancing the weight, cost, and performance, making it difficult to bring the next model to market quickly. Instead, Apple is said to be focusing on incremental updates and longer-term research, pushing a full redesign further out. The current Vision Pro will continue as Apple's flagship in the VR space, but the halt comes despite recent FCC filings hinting at new components, suggesting Apple may release smaller hardware tweaks before the full second-gen headset. People of the internet, wait, this is epic. This is future ThatNerdyEight talking to past ThatNerdyEight talking to future you. I just want to give a quick shout out to today's sponsor, Rube.App. If you haven't actually heard of it, Rube is basically a secret ChatGPT feature that nobody is talking about. It's an MCP server that lets ChatGPT and other tools connect with over 1,000 apps like Discord, Notion, Google Calendar, your email, and even dev tools like VS Code. Setup actually only takes under a minute. It's actually really easy. And suddenly your AI isn't just answering your questions, it's running parts of your life and making your wife happier. On the productivity side, people are using Rube to triage email, schedule events, and manage projects in Notion, and even research social media, all without leaving the app. It's like turning your AI into a true digital assistant. I actually use this to research a lot of the things that I do for the tech, gaming, and AI news, and it really streamlines my process and helps me get things done as efficiently as possible. Now, if you're a gamer like me, here's where it gets fun for us. You can actually manage Discord servers and send automated announcements, grab member lists, or even message your guild before a raid. This is actually super useful and something that I use for my Discord when I'm going live to send, people messages. Hey, ThatNerdyEight went live, come hang out. Or hey, like our raid is starting, whatever announcement you want to send. Hey, it's my birthday, send me money. You know what I'm saying? Or hey, wife, I'm hungry, give me food. You can do that with this tool. You can also schedule gaming nights or tournaments with Google Calendar, and Rube will actually auto invite your team and send reminders to them in Discord. We have those friends you have to remind 10 times. So you can set up the automations and announcements and messages to go to them 10 times versus your other friends a couple of times, just so that they don't miss out this time. Something else that's also really cool about this app is you can actually track your matches in Notion. You can log the results, you can track the stats, you can share strategies, or even manage full tournament brackets, which is something I definitely don't want to do. And I know you don't want to be writing it down as you go either. So this is the tool that can do that for you. Now picture this. I am future ThatNerdyEight talking to past ThatNerdyEight talking to future you. So I've already experienced this, but Rube can schedule your weekly raid, ping everyone on Discord, log the results in Notion, and even remind everybody 30 minutes before the next tournament. So no one will miss out, or no one's late. You're not waiting for them. But you can do this all running in the background while you play. One of the biggest benefits to this app is it's actually free to use. So if you want to level up both your work and your play, check the link in the description below. I've actually been trying it out, and it really does make content creation, gaming, and life a lot smoother. And my wife is also a lot happier. Happy wife, happy life, right? Thanks again to Rube for sponsoring. Now let's get back to the video. Samsung has officially launched Project Mooohan, its push into the extended reality market. The headset is being developed in partnership with Google and Qualcomm, combining Samsung's hardware expertise with Google's Android platform and Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR chips. Early reports suggest the device will target a space between Apple's Vision Pro and Meta Quest headsets, offering a premium experience but at a more competitive price. Samsung is aiming at a 2026 release window, positioning Mooohan as a cornerstone of its next generation ecosystem alongside Galaxy phones and wearables. The move highlights the growing VR space, with Apple, Meta, Amazon, and now Samsung all vying to define the future of mixed reality. Google has unveiled its new AI-powered Nest devices, introducing smarter home features that push the brand deeper into the connected home market. The updated lineup includes a next-gen Nest Hub and Nest Audio, both running on Google's latest AI models for natural voice interactions. The new Nest Hub can handle multi-turn conversations, manage smarter routines, and act as a central hub for Google's AI assistant. Audio Refresh delivers improved sound quality and tighter integration with Google's home services. Google says the upgrades are designed to make smart homes feel more intuitive and proactive, moving beyond simple voice commands. Availability begins later this year, with pricing expected to remain in line with current Nest devices. Google is expanding Jules, its AI coding assistant, making it available to more developers worldwide. Jules is integrated into Google Cloud and Android Studio, offering real-time code suggestions, debugging help, and natural language explanations. The expansion will include broader language support and deeper integration with Google's developer tools, putting Jules in direct competition with GitHub Copilot and other AI coding assistants. Google says the goal is to improve developer productivity by handling repetitive coding tasks, freeing engineers to focus on design and problem solving. The rollout is set to continue through late 2025. Google has also confirmed changes to the Android developer verification program, introducing both free and paid tiers. The new system is designed to strengthen app security and developer accountability on the Play Store. Looks like they're just copying Apple. Under the update, developers will still be able to publish apps for free, but the paid verification option provides faster reviews, enhanced trust signals, and higher visibility. Google says there will be no public list of verified developers, raising concerns about transparency. This move is definitely part of Google's broader push to fight malware and scam apps, but critics argue that tiered systems could create unnecessary hurdles for smaller indie developers, which I definitely agree with. OpenAI is expanding Sora, its AI video generator, through an invite-only program. The tool can create highly realistic short videos from text prompts and is currently available to a limited group of creators, researchers, and enterprise partners. OpenAI says the restricted rollout is designed to test safeguards and gather feedback before a broader release. Sora's early demos have shown impressive results, but the technology definitely raises concerns about deepfakes, misinformation, and content authenticity. T-Mobile is leveling up its Starlink partnership to bring direct-to-cell satellite service starting in 2026. What does that mean? Basically, your phone is going to be able to text, call, and even use limited data straight from satellites without needing a tower nearby. My phone actually already has this, and it's freaking sweet. This could definitely be a game changer for spots where self-service is weak. Think like road trips, camping trips, or just you're out in a dead zone in your city that never seems to have any service. This also positions T-Mobile ahead of Verizon and AT&T, since they're the first major US carrier to fully lean into Starlink's network. It definitely won't replace traditional coverage, but as a backup or an add-on, it's definitely awesome to have. DoorDash has unveiled Dot, a new autonomous delivery vehicle designed for short-distance last mile service. The compact four-wheeled robot can carry multiple food orders and navigate sidewalks and streets using AI-powered sensors and mapping systems. DoorDash says Dot is aimed at improving delivery efficiency and cutting costs while also addressing driver shortages. The company has already began testing in limited US cities with plans to expand if performance meets expectations. That's all I have for this week, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. And until next time, remember to stay nerdy. Peace out, y'all.